Welcome to my channel. Please enjoy this video. Thank you. Cucumber flower art. Prepare some whole cucumbers and some tomatoes. Slice cucumber in half elongated. Take the other side and slice it obliquely in 30-40 degree. Don't break it up. Make 3 pieces of cut for one group. Take a group of sliced cucumber, bend down a slice in the middle and tuck the ends in to lock it. Plating flower petals with circle pattern. Trim it and put a tomato cherry in the middle. Prepare several of fresh tomatoes. Slice it and remove the inside part. Slice it become to peas. Cut a cucumber to serve as a base for the sticks the slice of pentals. A simple garnish ready to serve on the table. Thank you for watching. Please press subscribe button for free. Thank you.